Just recently I had a chance to go visit a gun manufacturer, and it's not every day that you get to do that. And Bill Frady from Gun Owners of America had gotten in touch with me and said, hey, I'm heading up to Monroe, North Carolina to the I.O.Inc. Gun facility, and wanted to know if I wanted to join him. So Mike Lau from the South Carolina Gun School and Bill Frady and myself headed up to Monroe, North Carolina to the I.O.Inc. gun manufacturing facility. Now, I.O. makes a number of different guns, but what we're going to look at today is the Hellcat 380. And it's a subcompact 380 ACP pistol that is perfect for concealed carry.
The I.O. Hellcat 380 semi-automatic pistol.
This is what they're using for the slide itself. So we're going from here to here.
I.O. Hellcat 380 semi-automatic pistol.
I say give me...
Well kept secret, not much longer.
Wow. And there's your stack. That is awesome. You know, as we've seen a lot of our manufacturing heading overseas, it's really great to see industry happening right here around us. And with gun manufacturers especially, there's nothing that warms my heart more than to know that there are gun manufacturers in our local area making high quality firearms.
The average person is going to be out in the field going to need a stripper. Press in on the barrel a little bit to relieve that cam tension from the barrel because it is a floating barrel. Comes right out.
This is what we need to demonstrate.
There's your recoil spring, there's your barrel, there's your slide.
Very simple to take
Very
down.
easy field strip.
You got a set right here, a recess for the firing spring, recoil spring. Goes right in place. Slide back on. I do take some of the tension off just because
Pushing it easier.
Yeah. And did you hear the click?
Yep.
Okay. You need to hear the click. That way you know that the frame can't see it all the way.
Awesome.
Now, we were asked if we wanted to test fire the weapons, and of course anytime we get to shoot we want to do it. And so they led us into their test firing facility, which was a very small room with a couple of bullet traps. And I'm going to tell you what, it was incredible, those bullet traps. Now I want to give a special thanks to I.O.Inc, who is the owner of I.O.Inc. And not only was he really a gracious host, but he also allowed us to do video work as we were going through and looking at the production. So, and the guys there at I.O.Inc. were just awesome to take us around and to take time out of their busy day to give us just a little taste of what it takes to make firearms here in the USA. Now, one of the things that I.O.Inc told us was the initial Hellcat offering that they did a couple of years ago, there were some issues they were having. And so they brought in some experts to come in, a mechanical engineer, and to redesign the pistol to allow it to function. And I'm going to tell you what, it functioned excellent. And one of the things, too, that I.O.Inc told me specifically is they stand behind their product. And if you have any problems, to send it back. While we were there, the guy was test firing the Hellcats, and they test fire every one before they go out of the door. They also import a lot of surplus items. But it was really a pleasure to be able to go and to meet these guys, and they were very gracious to take us around and let us really get a feel for what happens in a gun manufacturing facility.
Try this guy.
Come here, Don.
It's already... Oh.
This is
What is that? The spas?
Cost 12.
what you have here is your typical concealed shotgun. Frady. This is a semi-auto or pump, right?
Yep, sure enough.
Now, I.O.Inc. has been importing weapons from around the world for a number of years. But one of the things that they've been doing now is developing a receiver and parts for the AK-47 and AK-74. Now here are some of their US made AKs as well. So we're also going to be taking a look at the AK part of the facility as well in a separate video. But if you go to their website, and it's I.O.Inc.US, you can see all the different guns that they are offering and get a really good look at the Hellcat. And as always, thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more fun gun reviews and sensible survival. God bless America. Long live the Republic.
I'm back. Is your name Sarah Connor? Or John Connor? Carol O'Connor.
Good grief. Hey, when you hold that thing, my name's whatever you want to call me.